IBG stock seems to be the most active stock in the session of today, the 2nd of April 2025, up 129.3%. Intraday high of 1.97. And what do we have? I think it's the most active because it has printed over 163.5 million shares and still has a value of around still has a value more than $1. If it drops below that, it will drop off this list. Nvidia is gradually coming up, and the news is that let's see now. It says here, Innovation Breweries enters U.S. distribution deal with Republic National. It said today it has signed a distribution agreement with Republic National Distribution. The company said its Australian Bitters company and Bitter Tales brands will be distributed by Republic National in the states of California, Oregon, Washington, Hawaii, Arizona, Michigan. That sounds good. Gains of around 200 and something percent, but giving up has given up a lot of those. And what is actually certain is that the stock is shortable. It can be shorted. It can be shorted, and surely they have shorted. They've been shorting it from these highs of around 1.97. It has run up a huge amount of gain. It should be, I mean, expected to start pulling back. We have 0.6989. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see. The stock is in a strong bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, but it looks like it has inched up slightly because of this huge spike. It looks like it has inched up slightly. No upper projections inside here. We have negative upper projections of 1.25, 1.33. Don't bank on them. 1.39, but all the way back in January of this year, maybe the algos, maybe the sense that something was going to happen today, or even as of the first of March, I mean 21st of March, when it spiked to 0.7246. But we're going to have a look and see what happened in that session where they printed even high highs. So we have, then you can see for a decent length of time between between this 27th of December and the 10th of January, it was projecting a trading range of between 1.41 and 0.5396. I mean, what was responsible for projecting such a range? And even if you go back all the way to the 18th of a week before Christmas, it was projecting the highs of around 2.26. And you could even say 2.26, a range of between 2.26 and 8.556, something. These algos are derived not just arbitrarily. They also take into account trade. Data from Reuters. I want to believe trading data. Are also used in determining these some of these projections, and indeed also some news as well. You know. Okay, so we're just going to find out if on the 21st of March what happened, whether I traded anything higher than this. So let's get back here to I think in swim it's rebounding, and they may start to short it. Let's see now. Trying to see if we can go back all the way to the 21st of March. We can't go back. Let me see. This is 21st of March. We have here didn't trade. This is the 4 hour chart. We has spiked all the way. This is the March. We can see it spiked all the way towards 0.8. And let's see, 0.8. Here it closed at 0.7. Yeah, 0.74. So yeah, okay, it wasn't. It did spike. Yeah, it actually. This. this 4 hour chart didn't, this daily chart, okay, this it's closed at 0.7246 on the daily chart. On the, I mean, the 4 hour chart, there was an intraday high of zero point 0.8. Yeah, so it's rebounding, as you can see now. I'm not I mean, left to me, I would say that it's, I mean, it's going to continue to, it's going to correct, I think, yet it could also print high highs. I could also print high highs. We have this high of 1.32 here already, and even 1.39. What it has is, okay, 1.1 intraday. I mean, we have 1.97. It has actually printed even higher highs than that. Okay, let's see now. If we take this low of this high of this rejection at 0.7323 and 0.5, 0.723, we then will have a difference of 2.22. We have difference of 0.22 multiplied by 1.618. We'll add that to the current price of 1.18. Let's do it again. 0.22 multiplied by 1.618. We'll add that to 1.18. We have 2.11 possible upper projection. I mean, I mean, naturally, you should expect it to even print lower prices. 2.11. That would even be higher than the intraday high of 1.9. Let's see now. Try again and project further again to 0.618. Add that to the current price of 1.19. We have, no, followed by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 1.19. Yeah, 1.76. No, sorry. I have to redo the initial one. 0.22 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 1.19. We have 1.54, 1.54, 1.54. Yeah, sorry, 1.54 upper projection. I think, yeah, so 1.76, 1.77, and 1.54. These are actually less lower than this intraday high of 1.97. Yeah. So IBG on the move, signed a deal to supply some Australian betas in the US. See what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.